Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about this Jaguar. And if you want to get to your fuse box location, there'll be one under the hood. What you want to do is open the hood, and I believe there's gonna be one under the passenger on the dashboard side, and then there's gonna be one in the trunk. So I think total of 3. So let's get to the hood one first. Under the hood. On this one's gonna be on the left side. You might want to remove this cover first. You might have clips. 1, 2, 3. If not, maybe more, but I think it's 3. Mine's missing, so take that off. There's your fuse box location. To open it, press 1, 2 here. And then there's 2 more here. And it should pop off. Once it pops off, there's your fuses and relays, and on this side as well. The location, all it shows is numbers right here. So it's like this, like that. And to close it, you have to line it up. And there you go. To get to your second one, it's gonna be under the passenger side, and it's gonna be right in here. To open it, you just click this, and it's right in there. There's your fuses. Then to close it, you just line it up. And there you go. And to get to your third one, it's gonna be under the trunk. And to get to your third one, it's gonna be in the trunk. It's gonna be located right in here. What you wanna do is remove this cover. And there's your fuses. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.